Everybody, Rob Orgel with Silencer Syndicate. We're here at the PWS at East Valley Tactical, and man, we've got a cool new rifle and a couple new suppressors. Let's talk to the rifle first. What do we got going on?
So we've got our UXR that we released out starting in June of this year. We released out 223 first, 308, and 300 Blackout. You've got, what that means is you buy the base system at $26.50, and then you have different caliber conversion kits that you can change out. So you can go from a 223 to 308 to 300 Blackout. We'll have more offerings this next year coming online. And what that also means is you start out with one caliber, and then you're able to adapt to different uses and platforms.
Is there a 6.5 Creedmoor coming?
That is in the works. Yep.
Really? Even weirder, is there a 6 Creedmoor coming?
That's not in my purview right now.
Gotcha.
So, but we are keeping very much on the demand of the market of what's being demanded.
6 Creedmoor is kind of a niche space, but I absolutely love 6 Creedmoor. 300 Blackout, what are the barrel lengths you're offering 300 Blackout?
So right now we have a 14.5-inch pin and welded, and then we'll have a shorter barrel length coming online this next year.
When you pin and weld, what are you pin and welding with? Like a Plan B?
Yep, so we have our FRC muzzle device, which is Q Plan B compatible or Reardon Atlas compatible. So, and then when we have the shorter barrel lengths come online, we'll have a shorter hand guard when those come online. So it'll kind of all meld together on there.
Very nice, and it's super light.
Yep, it comes in at 7.8 pounds on there, so it feels lighter than that, but it's very, very comfortable to shoot, comfortable to hold.
It seems like a really cool idea because we've all been kind of fighting for a while to have this AR-15, AR-10 interchangeable. There's a lot of guys. I mean, Colt, remember way back when they had an AR-10, they had a magwell you could interchange, and it failed. It did not do well. So to crack that mystical code of having an AR-15 and an AR-10 that you can interchange yourself, I mean, I hear it's got good promise. I would love when the day to come that I can do some real testing and find out if it cuts the mustard, because if it does, this could really change the industry in a lot of ways. And it's designed around suppressors, isn't it? You've got an adjustable gas system?
Yep. So we have 3 positions. We have a normal, we have our suppressor, which is what's in right now, and then you have an adverse. So what the adverse does is if you've been shooting all day, the system is starting to get a little clogged, that allows you to open the system wide, get the maximum amount of gas through the system, or if you're using ammo that's really dirty and you want to get the maximum amount of gas coming through. So the platform is adaptable in that sense as well. Ambidextrous charging handle, you can flip it to the left or the right there. You've got ambidextrous controls down here. Trigger comes with a trigger tech, 2.5 to 5 pound adjustable trigger, but you can remove that trigger pack out and put a mil-spec trigger of your choice.
Standard AR-15 type. Same thing with the safety as well?
Safety is proprietary right now.
Gotcha.
So could be some offerings next year, but right now this is what it comes with.
And it's ambidextrous, and it's like a 45-degree throw.
Yep, 45-degree throw.
Nice.
Yep.
Kind of all the things we want. A lightweight, multi-caliber, piston, adjustable, foldable, kind of all the things we want. And you said the price point was?
$26.50 MSRP.
Not horrible. I mean, if you're looking at getting a SCAR, it's cheaper than a SCAR, and SCARs aren't very modular. So a lot of good offerings and a package. I hope the day comes. I look forward to do some testing and find out how she quiet down over there, how she truly performs. Really cool product. Thank you for taking the time to share with us.
Yep. One last thing I want to point out, we have a bore evacuator here. That's one of the real key points to this. If you look at an M1 Abrams tank, same technology that goes in the M1 Abrams tank is on this platform as well.
You know who was doing that about a year or two ago? I won't say their name out loud, but there's another company who has experimented with that.
Yeah.
And it looks like a kind of a similar system you have up there. I wasn't going to say anything, but I have found that helped in a lot of ways. And in some ways it had promise that it didn't shine through on. I wonder if this will perform differently.
Yep.
Anyways, thank you for taking the time. Super appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we've got the UXR, which is really very skinny, kind of has like an XM8 kind of appearance to it. I love this full ambi they got going on here. All right, we got a handful of pew-pews going in. Gosh, love those ambi controls. Gosh, that is soft shooting. Hardly any gas. Like that is, I mean, because we're piston, because we've got it regulated correctly, even with the full back pressure suppressor, I mean, no tearies, no, even just like, there's a faint smell of that gas, but this thing is really very nifty. I gotta have one. Okay, so seeing this come out at SHOT Show, I was very intrigued. It could cure a lot of problems. It's very nifty. I kind of expected it to shoot like an AR-15 or like a SCAR would, But now that I've gotten to shoot that thing, oh my gosh, it is soft. The systems you combine together in your gas system plus removing of gas system plus adjustable gas is just really crazy soft shit. I have to have one of these for more testing. This is a mind-blowing gun, and I might have found a new favorite. This is super cool.
Absolutely. We ran it by our marketing team, and we'll be getting one in your hands here soon for you.
I can't wait. I am literally blown away. I've shot a lot of rifles. I've handled a lot of stuff. But going suppressed and not having any gas to the face, you've done some cool stuff in here. And I'm going to poke away at it, but I'm blown away and very intrigued.
Absolutely.
Super, super cool rifle build. Ingenuity at its finest.
Thank you.
I appreciate that we're driving forward and not sitting back on our AR-15s.
100% evolving.
Awesome. Thank you so much. All right, guys, as always, stay safe, and we'll see you in the comments.